Yesterday we boiled crawfish and we did something crazy. We took a whole pineapple, left the top on but peeled the sides off, and we dropped that into the crawfish boil water after we took the crawfish out. And that was a fantastic pineapple, but we had some left over, and today my favorite thing to make with leftovers is fried rice. Cajuns always have leftover rice. So I scrambled an egg, I took it out, then I sauteed onion, green onion. This is the pineapple I used. And that was the baked ham that I had. So you can see the seasoning in the edges of the pineapple. It was so good. So I also added some frozen peas and carrots. I always have those in my freezer. And I chopped up the ham. I sauteed everything together. Then I added the rice, added the egg back, added the pineapple, and I added some seasonings, some extra seasonings to this. I added a little bit of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, but not too much because I didn't want it to get too salty. You can find the no salt Tony's if you look for it. So, or you can use any other kind of seasoning that you like. Salt and pepper is fine. So here's the seasonings that I used, and be ready to screenshot at the end. I used some sesame seed oil. I used some Maggi seasoning. I would have used soy sauce, but I didn't have any. There's the Tony Chachere's I used. I used curry powder, and I used some premium dark soy. If you can't find this, you don't have to use it, but it gives a lovely color, and you can find it at an Asian market. You just stir all that stuff up together until the rice is all the way heated through. You want to use leftover rice so it doesn't get mushy. Don't use hot cooked rice, fresh cooked rice. And here's all the ingredients. And please follow me so you can